Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove the side fairing panel under the passenger door. Remove the rear small fairing panel and also the middle fairing panel. Remove the exhaust heat shield. Remove the side fairing support brackets. Disconnect and remove the DEF dozing valve. Remove the top and bottom brackets from the filter support frame. Remove the dozing valve mounting pipe, V-clamps, and remove the pipe. Disconnect the main connector for the SCR DPF system. Remove the DPF inlet pipe V-clamp. Remove the SCR outlet pipe V-clamp. If any V-clamps break, you will need to replace them. Support the filter support frame with a jack or forklift. In our case, we had a pallet jack handy and was easy to move the filters around. Remove the two left side bolts that hold the filter support frame to the truck's frame. Remove the two bolts that hold the SCR outlet pipe to the filter support frame. Remove the two bolts and one nut on the right side of the support frame that holds it to the frame bracket. Cut the zip ties holding the DEF dozing valve lines. Carefully slide out the filter assembly from underneath the truck. With the filter assembly removed, disconnect the SCR electrical connectors that go to the DPF filter. Remove the SCR filter hold down clamps. Now remove the SCR filter out and out of the way. Remove the SCR filter support brackets. Remove the DPF filter hold down clamps. Remove the DPF filter and place it on the floor. Disconnect the DOC temperature connector. Mark lines on the filters for proper alignment when reassembling the filter. Remove the DPF filter V-clamps and disassemble the DPF filter. If the DPF DOC filter gaskets are damaged, Remove the gasket material, clean the surface area, and install new gaskets. Align the marks on the filter and install the V-clamps. Once the DOC and DPF filters are assembled, install the filter assembly back on the support frame. Clamp down the DPF filter onto the support frame. We had to use new clamps because the old ones were damaged. Install the SCR filter support brackets back on the support frame. Install the SCR filter on the support frame. Clamp down the SCR filter to the support frame. We had to use new clamps because the old ones were damaged. Plug in all the electrical connectors that were disconnected. Reinstall the filter assembly back on the truck by aligning it into its original position. On the left side of the filter, install and tighten the two bolts on the frame of the truck. Install the V-clamp on the DPF inlet pipe and the SCR outlet pipe. Tighten the SCR outlet pipe to the filter support frame. Clean the SCR inlet gasket area and install new gasket if the original gasket got damaged. Install the DEF dozing valve pipe and tighten the V-clamps. Install the top and bottom brackets on the filter support frame. Install the DEF dozing valve, plug it in and zip tie the hoses to the original brackets. Install the heat shield. Install the side fairing support brackets and the fender liner bracket. Connect the main SCR system connector on top of the SCR filter. Install the middle side fairing panel followed by the back smaller fairing panel. Install the side fairing panel under the passenger door. Close the hood and lock the straps.